Hi beautiful lovers of good things, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another yummy recipe. If you are new here, my name is Ladyzion Sweethome. You are highly welcome and thank you for tuning in to this video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I make this beautiful and delicious okra pepper soup. If you like what you see, kindly join the family by hitting the subscription button and the notification bell on so that you see more of our video. Without taking much time, let's dive into this video. Welcome back beautiful people. Here we have our fresh okra. You can see our okra is so fresh, beautiful and clean. Make sure you wash your okra before making it. I'm going to cut it to my own perfect way. You can cut your okra the way you like it. I'm going to cut it in two ways. The first one I'm going to blend while this is going to be cut. Just keep on watching this video and I know you will love it and you will enjoy this video. Remember to always like, share and subscribe to promote us, to join us and grow this channel. I will so much appreciate it. Thank you. This little size of the okra will be blended, so after blending it I will keep it aside and I will go ahead with the rest ingredients. Here I have my bell pepper, tomatoes, garlic, habanero pepper and some onions, just little onions. So I'm going to blend everything to a pepper mix. So my amazing people, as we continue to cut the ingredients, I would love to say a very big thank you to my old and new subscribers. Thank you so much. I do really appreciate each and every one of you for always coming back to watch my video. God bless you. And for the new, thank you for joining the family and thank you for subscribing. God bless you. And remember to always like, share and subscribe to support us, and God bless you as you do. And this is it. After blending it, you can see the pepper mix came out so well. And here is the other ingredients. We have our ishaki, some little beef. I also have dry fish here. I have this dry fish, ewe and the other catfish and the other dry fish. I have my prawns as well. You can use any protein of your choice for this recipe. And here is my meat stock. That's why I add a little bit so that I can get some beautiful and yummy meat stock. I have my Nigeria oil here. I have the star of the day, pepper soup spicy, and my Maggi cube. I also have salt, and here are all the ingredients you need for this recipe. And I also have crayfish as well before I forgot. At this stage we'll go ahead adding our oil in the pots. Then I just allow the oil to heat a little bit, then I add the pepper mix. I'm going to allow the pepper mix to cook. I also add my protein, that is the meat, immediately because the shaki we are still very much strong, so I allow the meat to cook with the pepper sauce as well so that everything will come out great. In case if your meat is well cooked and done, you don't need to add it to the pepper sauce at this time. You will wait for the sauce to cook before you add the meat. Then I will cover the sauce to steam for 5 minutes. At this stage I will add my dry fish. I have disboned them so that my kids can enjoy this okra soup. Here I also add water. I add water first, then I add a meat stock because I need to add much water because I have a lot of okra. And here I also add the pepper soup spicy. You can see, I don't know, I will call this 1.5 teaspoons. I also add the salt and the bouillon or Maggi cube. At this stage I will stir everything together and I will cover it to boil. Now the pot is looking beautiful. You can see this have boiled. I'm going to go ahead and add the blended okra first, and I will mix it very well so that there will not be lumps. This is perfectly mixed. You can see how beautiful and delicious this okra pepper soup is looking. Oh my goodness. You cannot imagine how we enjoy this okra soup. If you have not tried okra pepper soup, please go ahead and give it a try. You will love it. I add my blended crayfish. I will stir everything together. Then I add the other part of okra. Yeah. This will make it perfect, crunching and delicious. At this stage, after stirring everything together, I add the prawns. Oh my goodness. You cannot imagine how delicious and wonderful this okra came out. And if you like your okra pepper soup to be more lighter, you can add more water. This is how I love mine, and it was perfect. My husband do not really love okra so much, but bet me when he tasted this okra pepper soup, he said, oh my goodness, this is the best okra pepper soup you have ever made. Oh my goodness. Actually guys, this soup came out so good. Go and try it if you have not done so. And if you have tried this recipe, let me know at the comment section. Let me know what you think about this recipe, and let me hear your feedback. I would so much appreciate it. Thank you for staying tuned to this video if you stay to this extent, and remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I would love to see you all in my next video. Bye.